How to add a dot in Adobe Acrobat. First, go to your browser and visit acrobat.adobe.com. Log into your Adobe account. Click on All Tools at the top. Scroll down or search for Add Comments. Click it and upload the PDF where you want to add the dot. Once uploaded, the file will open with the comment toolbar on the left. In the left toolbar, look for the section that says Fill in the form fields or hover to find it. In the drop-down that appears, find the dot. Click it and place it anywhere you want to add a dot to. You can add as many dots as you like. You can even change the color and increase the size of the dot from the toolbar that appears. And that's how you add a dot to your PDF. Easy, right? If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.